to our new video. Today we're covering some crucial trademark questions. What happens if the registrar isn't satisfied with your reply? What to do if you miss a hearing? How to renew a trademark? And more. If you're applying for a trademark or dealing with objections, this video is for you. Question 86. What will happen if the registrar is not satisfied with the response to examination report? Answer: if the response to the examination report is not satisfactory, or where the applicant has requested for hearing, the registrar shall provide an opportunity of hearing to the applicant, and the same shall be conducted as per Rule 115. Question 87. What will happen if I failed to appear at the scheduled date of hearing? Answer: if the applicant fails to appear at the scheduled hearing date and has not submitted a reply to the office objections beforehand, the registrar may make the trademark application as abandoned. Consequences of failing to appear. The application could be dismissed or considered as withdrawn. The registrar may proceed with the application without considering the applicant's arguments or evidence. If the application is abandoned, the applicant will lose the opportunity to contest any objections, and the trademark may not proceed to registration unless the applicant takes corrective actions within the allowed time frame. Authority gives 3 chances for appearing. After that, the application gets abandoned. To avoid such situations, it's important to either attend the hearing or ensure that all necessary responses and documents are filed in time. Question 88. In which form trademark renewal application be filed? Answer: an application for the renewal of a trademark registration must be filed using Form TMR, along with the prescribed renewal fee as outlined in the first schedule. Key points: the renewal application can be filed at any time up to 1 year before the expiration of the trademark's registration. It's advisable to file the renewal application ahead of time to avoid any last-minute issues or delays. For more details on the application form and fees, visit the official website, IP India Forms and Fees. Question 89. What happens when a trademark application is ready for show cause hearing? Answer: when a trademark application is marked as ready for show cause hearing, it indicates that the examiner has reviewed the application and determined that further clarification or justification is required before proceeding. This status usually arises when there are issues or objections regarding the application that need to be addressed. What to expect? The applicant will be notified about the show cause hearing and will be required to appear before the registrar or the examiner. During the hearing, the applicant will need to provide reasons or arguments as to why the trademark should be granted registration, despite the objections raised. The applicant can submit additional evidence or explanations to overcome the objections. If the applicant fails to attend the hearing or provide sufficient justification, the application may be rejected. Question 90. Who can appear for trademark hearing? Answer: the applicant can attend the trademark hearing either in person or through a trademark agent attorney who is authorized to represent them. Trademark agent attorney. If the applicant is unable to attend, they can authorize a trademark agent or attorney to attend the hearing on their behalf. Objection-free applications. If no objections are raised during the hearing, and the registrar is satisfied with the application, the trademark is approved and subsequently published in the journal for further processing. This ensures that the applicant has the flexibility to handle the hearing either personally or through a professional representative. If you want to register your brand name, logo, or tagline and legally secure your identity, don't wait. Get expert help with the entire trademark registration process. Contact VMK Professionals, your trusted legal and business partner, to ensure your brand is protected under the law. Visit www.vmkpros.com and get started today. That's it for this video. Hope you learned something useful today. If you faced any of these issues, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.